Once upon a time, at the height of the ancient Roman Empire, there was a young gladiator named Marcus who fought for his freedom. Marcus had caught the attention of the crowd with his courage and skill in the arena, but he needed to fight even more to gain his freedom. The emperor chose Marcus for a special mission. He was to be sent as an ambassador to a distant kingdom where a legendary library was located. The library was a treasure trove, filled with knowledge gathered from all corners of the world. The emperor believed that this information would further strengthen the Roman Empire. After a long journey, Marcus arrived in the kingdom, and the doors of the library were opened to him. However, what Marcus saw was very different from what he expected. The library was in ruins, books torn and pages scattered. Marcus realized that this incredible source of knowledge was in danger of disappearing. He made his decision and was determined to save the library. Working together with the people of the kingdom and the daughter of the guardian of knowledge, Marcus began the restoration of the library. They stood together in difficult times, united by their passion for knowledge. After a long effort, the library was restored to its former glory. Marcus and the daughter of the guardian, bound by their love for knowledge, protected this treasure of information that could benefit the empire. The emperor, appreciating Marcus's courage and loyalty, granted him his freedom. Now a free man, Marcus roamed the lands, remembered as the hero of an unforgettable story written in the name of knowledge and freedom, alongside the daughter of the guardian of the library.